Jurgen, because you were so dominant for so much of that match, does this feel very much like a wasted opportunity to pick up 3 points?
What do you think?
Well, I imagine it does.
Yeah, right. Absolutely.
Okay. What did you make of your team's performance?
It was good. We didn't score often enough. I saw only one team today, to be honest, only one team playing. But the ref thought we have to make it a little bit more. I can't believe this situation with all the challenges. We were completely clean. We did not make any fouls. All the challenges in this game, where only one team is playing, you give such a penalty away. It's unbelievable. When you see the pictures, you see it like
Have you had a chance to see it back?
Yes.
Penal. Empujón, dice el árbitro Calvert-Lewin, del que hablábamos.
What have you said to the referee?
They don't understand that he's doing that. That's what I said. I didn't use one swearing word. So I cannot believe that you making a game like this, where only one team is trying over 95 minutes to do everything to win it, and the other team was not even in our box. I don't know if they had a shot on target or something, apart from the penalty.
For you, 100% not a penalty, or does Dejan Lovren does he not need to make the decision? It's not a case of blaming him. Does he not need to make the challenge, though?
He doesn't make a challenge. Calvert-Lewin makes a step in his thing, but
and there's hands on the back.
The hand is like this on the back. You saw it. If you think it's a penalty, then do it. Say it. Say it. It's a penalty in your opinion. Is it a penalty in your opinion?
Okay. If you want my opinion doesn't matter. I would say soft.
Obviously, my opinion doesn't matter as well. So, but
of course, your opinion matters.
Does it change anything?
No, but we can't change anything in an interview, can we?
Say so far it's a penalty or not?
I think it's soft, but I think it is a penalty. There are people who played a lot of football matches in our studio who also think it's a penalty.
Oh, then sorry, I'm wrong. You're all right.
Ya estamos cerquita de que venga Santa Claus, brother.
Sí.
¿Y adivina qué?
Hasta tenemos arbolito de Navidad.
Ya hay arbolito de Navidad en el estudio. Es traído directamente del Polo Norte. Está muy bonito. Tiene unas esferas bien grandotas para que todo el mundo las vea en casa. Ana Yurka está incluida en el arbolito.